Hi guys, what's up? Welcome back to my channel. Actually, a couple of weeks back, I posted a poll on Instagram asking if you'd be keen on seeing an accessories haul. I'm big on accessories and I asked if you would want to see what I got, and I should have taken a screenshot of the outcome, but I did not. But I do remember the result. 85% of you all said yes, we would love to see one, and the rest, the 15%, said nah, we're good. And the irony is that the 15% of the people who said no were all guys, except for one girl, I believe, which kind of like made me laugh a little bit. I understand why you'd all say no, but yeah, anyway, for all those who said yes, here I am with an accessories haul, and I will also be talking about a few tips and tricks as to how you could style them or how I would generally style them. So hopefully you will find this video a little helpful in any shape or form. Also, one of my friends actually asked me to elaborate more on how to accessorize on a day-to-day basis when you're going to work. You obviously do not want to look like you've put in 2 hours of your time in the morning to just get ready. You do not want to look overdressed, yet at the same time you do not want to look underdressed, if you know what I mean. Basically, you'll have to look effortless, and I will be exactly talking about how to look effortless, keep it minimal, yet look very elegant. Madhura, if you're watching this, yes, you are that friend. I do remember what you asked for, so don't you worry, I will be talking about it. I got your back. And yeah, so without any further ado, let's jump straight into the video.
I know I haven't been perfect, but give it some time. There's not a single day goes by where you don't cross my mind.
Okay, before we get into the actual haul, let me tell you that I've made quite a few trips to the mall lately. Each time I'm at the mall, I don't know what it is. It's like some force is acting, it's gravity that's pulling me towards the accessories section, and in no time I realized that I'm already picking a pair or two. You know, it's a problem and I've been working on it. But yeah, I've been collecting quite a few over the months. But I'm not going to sit through and show you each and every pair that I own. I don't want to make a 30-minute long video. But I will be showing you what I've got in my last 2 trips to the mall. And actually in my last but one trip, I did manage to get quite a few. So there will be a lot to cover anyway, so that's good. Yeah, the first thing that I got are these silver hoops that I'm wearing right now. I do own a pair of silver hoops already, but they are very thin and it's like almost I can see you, I cannot see you, peekaboo kind of a situation. So yeah, I decided to get myself another pair, and I just love the fact that, you know, they're chunky and you can actually see them. So yeah, here's your first tip. Basically, accessories are one of those items that you could add to your wardrobe, which are probably the least expensive. Yeah, I'm sorry, I was juggling there. It is least expensive.
Wow.
So yeah, they're probably the least expensive items that you could own that will create a world of difference to the way you look. They will just immediately accentuate your outfit and your appearance, and they will just, you know, put everything together. And like, you could probably wear like a pair of blue jeans and a white shirt and just add like big bright colored earrings, and bam, there you go, here's a stunner, you know. So yeah, what I was trying to say is invest in a good pair of chunky large earrings. They're called statement pieces for a reason. They will speak for themselves, they will speak for your outfit. So yeah, don't hesitate to get yourself a good pair of large, like big statement earrings. Okay, so next up is this beautiful bright orange pair from H&M. Actually, I can't remember if I told you where I got these hoops from. They're from Forever 21, and I also can't recollect how much I paid for them. But if I do end up finding their price online, I will make sure I put it on the screen. But I'm pretty certain they were under $5, so it's a great deal. Forever 21 has some cheap jewelry for sure. H&M on the other end, well, I paid $12.99 for this one right here. Yes, $12.99 for a pair of earrings. might sound like a bit too much, but let me tell you, these are statement earrings, and these pieces I believe are timeless, so I wouldn't be bothered if they charge me that much for this one. And also, price kind of speaks for its quality, and I do own a lot of pairs from H&M, so that's why I'm taking authority and telling it. These pieces are very light on your ears, they're not at all heavy, so you could actually wear them all day long and do your own thing, and your ears will still not curse you. So yeah, the mate is really fine. The next pair is this one from H&M again. Can't remember the price. I reckon it's $12.99 again, but if I can confirm, I will, and I will put it on the screen. But yeah, yellow is my favorite color, and the moment I saw them, I had to get them. I just love how summery and beautiful they look. Imagine wearing like a white dress or even a black dress and putting them on, and there you go, your summer outfit is on point. So next up is again a pair of earrings. Now these are from Forever 21. Oops, I'm sorry. And they're priced at $7.90. Now these earrings are made of marble, which I thought was really interesting. I've never owned anything like this before, so I had to get them. Now since they're made of marble, they are quite heavy, I wouldn't lie. But yeah, they have a very unconventional pattern going on. So here's another tip. I would wear something very simple, probably plain, with these earrings, since they can talk for themselves, so I would let them do the talking. So if you have a pair of earrings that have some pattern going on, keep the outfit simple. Do not wear a pattern outfit with a pattern pair of earrings. It would just make a whole lot of mess altogether. So yeah. Next up we have, well, guess what? Surprise! Another pair of earrings. This is going to be the last pair that I'm going to pull out for today, so don't worry. So yeah, strangely I've never owned anything in black. Definitely white and black earrings are supposed to be those two staple pieces that you need to have. They are definitely go-tos for any outfit. And I did not have anything in black, so I thought, why not? And I actually really do like them. They have a very pretty French detail going on, and love the studs as well. They are capable of making any outfit more dressier. Actually, you know what? Pull out your book. I have another tip for you. When you're wearing earrings like this, which has so much character to them, I would never wear anything on my neck, not even a small necklace, because I want people to focus on my earrings and nothing else. I would probably wear like hand rings if I'm feeling like it, which are again like a mile away from my focal point. But yeah, I would want these earrings to talk for themselves, so I wouldn't wear anything on my neck. So a low bun with a good pair of earrings will make you look extremely elegant, sophisticated and ladylike, so try it if you haven't. Next up is this pouch. Sunglasses pouch or sunglasses holder, what do you call it? I really don't know. Let me know in the comments box below. But yeah, I put my sunglasses in there. They are old, but yeah, I thought this was really cute. It has a fun cacti print going on, and just perfect for the summer. And yeah, it is from H&M, and it was for $9.99. Next up is this pair of sandals from Forever 21. They are extremely dirty. I did put them to quite a bit of use, and it is actually kind of grossing me out right now, but I have no other choice. Yeah, so I just loved the way they looked, especially the color. They also had another one in black, but I had to get the tan one, and I also like the detail that's going on in the front. If I can remember it right, I paid about $17.99 for this pair, and yeah, they're just perfect for the summer, easy to slip in. You could wear them with the summer dress or a pair of shorts, and even with jeans. Probably any outfit that you could ever imagine putting together. So yeah, a good staple piece. So the last thing that I'm going to show you for this haul are actually a few neck pieces that I got. First up is this one. It is tangled. I hate it when these get tangled. It's so annoying. It's so hard to get them untangled actually. Damn it.
2,000 years later.
Well, I can't, guys. I'm sorry. I failed. I cannot perform under pressure. But yeah, this one is a layered necklace, and you know, you have a pendant here and then another pendant, and one is triangle and one is a circle, and they both have marble on them, which I thought was really interesting. And next thing is this one with a leaf pendant, and extremely cute. I already wore it for one of my videos. And next up is another necklace with a palm tree pendant, which is, now this pendant is quite big, so yeah, this is very cute, I believe. So the last thing that I have is this choker right here. It has these dangly bits to it. I don't know what they're exactly called, but yeah, I think it's super fun, and I just love layering necklaces as well. Just wear a choker and then a medium-sized necklace, and then finally add on like a longer length necklace, and yeah, you would just look fab instantly. And yeah, Mathura, here's an answer to your question. What would you wear to work? And the last tip, guys, I would wear necklaces to work. I would probably layer them in two at the max, but I would enjoy wearing just one by itself, and I would switch them every day. I do have quite a few, so I would like to switch them just to look different, feel fresh, feel like you've put in a little bit of effort when you actually didn't. So yeah, wear necklaces to work, and you can also wear hand rings to work. Actually, you know what? It's very weird, but when I get like a manicure done and my nails are all pretty and painted, and I have some hand rings on, I just enjoy more working on the keyboard and, you know, playing with the mouse, and I think my productivity kind of hikes up a little bit. It is very weird, right? So yeah, definitely necklaces and hand rings. So that's it for today's video, guys. I hope you had fun. We're so close to 300 subscribers, so hit that subscribe button if you haven't already. It's absolutely free, and it will bring a smile on my face. So when you can make someone happy with just a click, why wouldn't you do it? Just go hit it. This is my first ever haul video, so like it if you like hauls, and comment down below your favorite piece that I showed in today's haul. So yeah, that's about it, and I will see you all soon in my next video. Until then, take care and bye-bye.